What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this project here, we did a complete renovation on it, and I'm gonna give you the before and the after. We had to, the customer had a flood, and we redid the entire downstairs, kitchen, bathrooms, everything we had to redo. So this is the before. This is how it looked before.
The whole from the onion video. Bring it with the saffron, look at it.
No, my installation does have to standard in. And you raise me allergies. We wear masks, but still, you know. A baseboard to go after. So we can have a baseboard. One, two, three.
Alright, so the dumpster is here. So now we gotta put all the garbage inside. So we're gonna start doing that in a little bit and get everything cleaned out. So we finished the sheetracking on the downstairs. The next step is put joint compound and then texture it. And now I'm gonna give you I'm gonna show you guys how it looked after. So I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough of everything here. So this is the front door, new front door we installed. And this is the main entrance to the front door. So we redid the sheetrock over here, and we installed the flooring here. 24 by 48 tiles, big tiles, and light fixtures, new light fixtures in this area. And this is a bathroom over here. This is the bathroom over here. Downstairs bathroom, we redid this one. This is the dining room area. We're gonna go to the living room now. So this is the living room. This is a new fireplace with shelves. And we redid the sheetrock all over here. This is a new sheetrock, new lights. Brand new fireplace. New molding, new crown molding. All these new lights, fixtures. This is a brand new kitchen we installed. White shaker cabinet with quartz countertop. And this is the accent piece over here. Alright, so that's the downstairs. Now I'm gonna go take you guys upstairs. So this is the step. We did a new step also. The white runners and the floor, bamboo flooring. And this is a new railing also. So we put the bamboo flooring all over on the upstairs. Put the molding and paint everything. So this is a bedroom here. So this is a new wall we installed here. This wasn't here. This is a bedroom over here. We make this into a bedroom. This is the hallway. This is a new bathroom over here. New vanity, new toilet. New mirrors over there. This is another bedroom. Bamboo flooring, paint job. This is another bedroom over here. Then we're gonna go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom with new lights, new flooring. And this is the master bedroom, closet and bathroom. So this is a custom closet. So this is the big closet. And over here we have the little closet. And now this is the master bedroom, bathroom. We redid everything in here. New floors, new vanity, new countertop, new mirrors over there, new lights. This is a brand new shower. We got the long drain in the back, the bench, shower niche. The customer gonna put in a glass door here, frameless glass door, and we put in the rainfall shower right there. This is the toilet here, and that's the master bedroom. Alright, so now we're gonna go in the garage. We did a lot of work in the garage also. So let's go in the garage and I'll show you what we did in the garage. Alright, so this is the garage here. So we put the new paint over here and we install a new kitchen over here. Okay. Alright guys, so that's the end of the before and the after. We did a complete remodel on this project here. Came out really nice. So again, once again, if you guys watch my video, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.